Okay, hi. I feel great right now. I can't believe she, what is this, 4 hours later, 3 hours later, I have hair and I literally look like I'm 25, 28 years old. Used to be completely bald, no hair, no nothing, and now look at the hairline, perfection, literally 3 fingers. You don't see any type of where you would think this wasn't real. I mean, look completely all the way around. And it feels natural. You can grab it. Don't do it, I want to mess it up. But no, it looks good. It's all thanks to her. Thank you.
You're welcome.